In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Bluesky URL to your Big Cartel shop. Big Cartel is a fantastic platform to showcase and sell your creative work, and integrating your social media can really help boost visibility. So, if you're looking to direct your Big Cartel visitors to your Bluesky profile, follow along as we guide you through this simple process. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to the Big Cartel dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you control the key settings for your online shop. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu at the top, and you'll want to locate the account option and give that a click. This brings you to your account page, where you have access to various details and settings related to your store. Now, pay attention to the options as you scroll down the page. Your destination here is the shop design section. It's quite crucial because this is where you can set the aesthetic tone for your store. When you arrive at Shop Design, you'll notice a button labeled Go to Shop Designer. You'll want to click on this button to proceed. With each step, you're getting closer to making your shop more connected and engaging for your visitors. Once the Shop Designer loads, direct your gaze to the top left corner where you'll find a Settings option. Clicking here will get you into the backstage of your shop's settings. This area is all about the functionality of your shop, and it's where you'll be able to integrate additional online profiles. Now, you'll need to scroll through the options until you come across social media links. This is an important feature for broadening your shop's reach. Go ahead and click on social media links to open the settings where you can add various social platforms. Here, you'll see a list of social media accounts you can link to your shop. You need to look specifically for the Bluesky URL field. Finding the right field ensures the integrity of the link and helps visitors land on the correct Bluesky profile. Once you've located it, type in your Bluesky URL. Be sure to double-check for accuracy, as even a small mistake can lead to an error or wrong page. And that's it. You've successfully added your Bluesky URL to your Big Cartel shop. Now, anyone visiting your online shop can easily navigate to your Bluesky profile, broadening your audience and potential customer base. Remember, maintaining consistency across your online presence is valuable for building a cohesive brand identity. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was both helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more